To pass straight through platform number 2 at Ashford will be your 11:02 never available GBRF service from Hither Green Pad to Tunbridge West Yard, and the code is 310 X-ray. Got 73. Thank you. 962. 73, 962 to 73. 965 to Tunbridge West Yard, and there's a javelin for Margate. Now in it's 395 004 to Chris High. And that's bound for Margate. Three 004 to Chris High to Margate. Code will be down here. It's a 373 bound for Marnla Valley.
Yeah, I think something was snake farm would have been fun.
373 230. $373 230 to 373. I believe it's going to be 229. With the other one on the rear. Now arriving at 375622. Thank you. With 375712. Nunu 375. With 373219 on the rear. 5 will be your 2 Romeo 24 southeastern surface from Charing Cross to Dover, 375622. Three 75622 to 375712. To Dover via Folkestone. Number 6B at Ashford International will be your 11:05 June November 22 southeastern service from Victoria to Canterbury West. This train splitted here with 377164. Thank you. Three 75516 to Canterbury West by Whitechilham and Charlton. Y1 a Y12 St Pancras. I think it's your 2 November. You 2 Delta 22 from Eastbourne. 171728. There There goes 377164 to Cannon West. To Ashford down sidings, that one is. 375801, which is for your 5 whiskey 34 from Ashford East Burton siding. I believe this is half of the 11. Oh, I think it's your 2 November. You 2 Delta 22 from Eastbourne. 171728. There goes 377164 to Cannon West. To Ashford down sidings, that one is. Car platform number 1C at Ashford International will be your 2 Delta 23 Southern Service to Eastbourne. Change at Eastbourne for Brighton. Well, sorry, if you wanted to ride all the way to Brighton. This is due to the 20th of May cuts. One 71728. One 71728 to Eastbourne via Hastings.